Hi, good afternoon everybody. I'm going to teach you how to change the battery on a 2012 TRD Toyota Tacoma. So Toyota has made it quite simple to do this task. So what you're going to need is a 10 millimeter for on your positive, 10 millimeter on your negative. You don't have to take this bolt all the way off. All you have to do, like I already did, as you can see, is just loosen it, and then for the positive, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. All you have to do is just take the top part off, and then you're going to have to kind of fiddle with it just a little bit, and it'll pop off. The negative, I loosened it up, makes it really easy, just pops off nice and easy like that. The biggest thing is going to be this center bar that comes over. It's not hard to take off, but if on the back side, I've already loosened it. If you can see down here in the middle, this has a little hook. So if I pop it out of on the other side, it has a hook system on both sides. So once you've taken that off, they did make it a little bit more difficult on the front side here. You can't just use your standard 10 millimeter that you just used. What you'll need is you'll actually need an extension. So you have an extended 10 millimeter. Otherwise, you'll need just an open-ended side. Now this is a 3/8 and isn't going to work, but it's just to show you need an open-ended ratchet. So what I did is you just loosen up this side, and eventually down here it'll pop out. So once you pop that out, as you can see, it has two sides that hook in. And then essentially what you can do is just pick up this battery. It is pretty heavy. But you'd pop it out. Now this is a good battery, so I'm not going to actually take out the battery. So then what I'll do is I'll reconnect the two sides first, the positive and negative, retighten up the 10 millimeters on both sides. What I'll then do, and this is a bit more of the difficult part, what you have to do on the back side is hook the back side in first. So you want to get that nice and secured around there and hooked in. Then you want to come down to the front side. You're going to want to rotate it and then put it in underneath this hole right here. And then what you'll do is you'll tighten this down and everything should be reconnected. Turn your power on, just make sure the power supply is there from the battery.